Hi, in this video we add the roof to the new build. Here we see the steel bars that will become the rafters, purlins and trusses. And yes, remember this tree for later. These videos are being posted in real time, so looking at the posting date gives you a sense of how long each stage of this build has taken. We prefer tile roofing, which you'll see in this video. The reason is we find it quiet in heavy rain. When it rains in Thailand, it's normally heavy and metal roofs produce a loud roar. It also remains cooler inside the house. Of course, it costs a bit more than metal roofing. This video was filmed from mid-September to mid-October. It's still raining season, but now it's generally more dry than wet. As we'll see, there are notable exceptions. This year, 2025, has been a very wet raining season in Sakon Nakhon, and there have been a lot of typhoons or Northwest Pacific hurricanes that have made landfall in Vietnam via the South China Sea and then moved to northeast Thailand, albeit losing a bit of power as they hit land. So we can see once again the road is bogged up, which is going to make it hard for the truck carrying the roof tiles to get up there. But at least someone's happy with the rain. And there's our poor old tile truck stuck at the bottom of the road. So here's the final roof structure, and here are the tiles themselves, the concrete tiles. And after a couple of weeks, the work resumes. Just got a cool bit of video of a bird going past. This part of the process was very fast. Laying the tiles took only really 2 days. And then finally the guys add the ridge caps. Okay, so remember that tree? It's round about this point that I fly the drone directly into it. So it gets stuck up there, and I'm standing in the rice field with a long pole, and one of the builders shimmies up the tree and manages to get it for me without dropping it. So what a legend. And here's the final roof. Not quite complete, but it's complete enough to show here. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully see you next one.